Welcome to episode 8 of 3 Minutes a Day. Today, we're going to talk about physical execution, which means to purposefully do what must be done to get what you want. Sometimes it includes the things that you must say. Other times, it's the choices you must make. It's almost always the actions you must take and the level of quality and quantity that you must meet if you are truly going to get what you want. So no matter how well you mentally prepare or how excited you get, you must still take action if you want results. So if you want to market, you have to talk to people. If you want to create wealth, you have to make the choice to stop spending and start saving and investing. If you want a better body, you have to eat better and exercise more effectively or exercise more. If you want to better manage your time, you have to learn to say no. But more than anything else, when it comes to this step, it is you have to prepare and get good at the things that you must do. This means you have to practice, you have to study, you have to learn things, you have to rehearse, test, and be willing to do it wrong so you learn how to do it right. And most people don't want to do that. Thus, that is step 2, physical execution. It is preparing by learning how to, practicing it alone, rehearsing it with others, writing and knowing the specific scripts that you must say. It's making the choices that move your life in the direction you want to move it in. It's saying what you must say, saying it the way it must be said, and when it should be said. It's boldly and powerfully taking those actions that will separate you from everyone else who does what you do and who wants what you want. And it's taking those actions until you get what you want with sufficient quality and quantity. So whatever you do is physical execution. You just don't think about it that way. When you do absolutely nothing or just enough, you are physically executing. And here's a side note. Every time you should tell someone no and you don't, you are actually physically executing twice. Your failing to say no was a poor physical execution, and what you have just committed yourself to do, you have now to do something else that will actually help somebody else get what they want. So please learn to say no. So today, I want you to prepare extensively. Take the action, make the choice, say what you need to be said, and do it as if your future depends on it, because it does. And as you execute, do it as if you couldn't possibly fail, then observe the results closely as you prepare for the next step. Thus, physical execution is doing what must be done to get what you want. So tomorrow, I'll teach you how to emotionally react to whatever happens after you physically execute.